Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel if you've never been here before. So today I've got something a little bit different. I did a little bit of an eBay haul. It's just blushes, a couple of blushes that I want to show you. So let me show you. So the first one is this Benefit Crystah, and now if I go into my local Boots, this will retail at £15, and then the bigger one is £29. And I don't feel like for my collection I need a bigger one. I mean, look at the size of that. It is tiny. My only concern with this is, am I going to get a blush brush in it? I think if I use a small one, like, let's have a look. Right, so I've been using this one. I thought it was a BH Cosmetics one. It's a stippling brush, but it's by Zoeva, and I really like it for blusher at the moment. It's their Define Buffer. I think it's meant for foundation, but if I just like it will fit really nicely into that, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, I'm really glad I got that. It's really nice. Let me do a swatch. That's it on the finger, and it's one of the shimmery blushes, and I love a good shimmery blush. They're not to everyone's taste, but this one is like a strawberry pink with like gold reflect. I don't think you're going to see it, but it is absolutely beautiful. So I paid, I think, about £8 for this. It wasn't much. It was like half price of what I would have paid if I would have gone into the stores. So I'm really happy to have that for my collection. And the reason I wanted it is I don't have many shades this bright. They're all like peaches, like most of my collection, because for years that's all I would wear. And then I got this one for autumn. So it's a Maybeline Fit Me in the shade Berry. So in this one you're only getting 2.5 grams. In this one I think you get 5. Yeah, 5 grams. So this is just a normal blusher really. That's what that looks like. I'm not too sure about this one. It is quite dark. So let's do a swatch of this as well. And it's not as smooth. Okay, well that's had 3 swatches. I think that one had 3 swatches too. So that's what that looks like. I do feel like the Benefit one is going to be my favourite. And like I said, this one is probably not going to get used till autumn, winter. But we're approaching really bad weather, so maybe sooner rather than later. Anyway, this was just my little bit of a haul. I wasn't going to do it because I don't really do haul videos separately anymore. I kind of put them in videos. And I am on a low buy. It was going to be a no buy, but I just put myself on a low buy. But I will get things that I can get discounted that I want anyway, like the Benefit blush. And this one here, I've never seen them in my local Boots. So I don't know if they're getting them imported from somewhere, but it was so cheap, around £3 for a blush. And it's Maybelline as well, so I just thought I'd give it a go. If I don't like it, I can always pass it on to someone. This concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like this video because it tells me if you like this kind of content. Share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.